Hello, Mom and Sir. Good day. I am Mildred Acosta, 44 years old, currently living here in the Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am happily married for 3 years and no kids yet. I worked as a housemaid nanny here in the Philippines for 3 years. I work in one couple and they had 3 kids. My works are cleaning, cooking, send and pick up the children to the school, laundry, cooking, marketing. Sometimes I help also the children in their homework. I make sure that the children are taking a shower before going to the bed. I worked also as OFW in Dubai, UAE as a lady guard for 2 years. My works are patrolling the premises, checking the list of in and out orders, CCTV monitoring, assisting guests, VIPs, into the events. In my future employer, once you hired me, I promise you that I give my very best in my work with love and care. Thank you and God bless.